In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default search engine from Yahoo to Google Chrome. This is a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring everything is easy to follow and understand. Let's start by opening up your Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome open, the first thing you need to do is head over to the settings. To find the settings, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three little dots arranged vertically. Click on those. This opens a drop-down menu, and from there, you want to select Settings. This will take you to a new tab where all of Chrome's options and settings are located. Now that you're in the Settings panel, you want to look for the section labeled Search Engine. It should be prominently displayed in the menu on the left side, or sometimes under the Basics section, depending on your browser's version. Click on Search Engine, and this will lead you to the next step, where we can make the change. In the search engine settings, there's a section that clearly says search engine used in the address bar. Next to it, you might see Yahoo or whichever search engine is currently set as default. What you're going to do here is click on the drop-down menu right next to it. Once you click on it, a variety of options will appear. These are different search engines you can choose from, including, of course, Google. Among the list of search engines, you should see google.com. You're going to want to select Google by clicking on it. After this step, Google will be set as your default search engine. This means that whenever you type a query into your browser's address bar, Google will perform the search instead of Yahoo. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed your default search engine to Google Chrome. You can close the Settings tab and try searching something to test if everything's working smoothly with your new default search. If at any point you want to change it back or try a different search engine altogether, you can always return to the same settings area and select another option. It's a flexible feature that ensures your browsing experience meets your personal preferences. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through changing your search engine. Feel free to leave comments or questions if you have any, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.